Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So, excuse my voice, I have a cold, so I'm very congested, so I'm gonna do my best. So, let's start this. So, in this video, I'm just gonna be showing you some of the welding I've been doing in welding class. I do this through the union. We have free welding classes through the Carpenters Union for anybody that signs up. And we have it's like an open shop for Carpenters Union members on the second and fourth Saturday. So that's usually where I go and I just practice. So usually at the class they start you off with stick welding. Now I'm not the biggest expert with welding, but from what I know, and I could be wrong, correct me in the comments if I'm wrong, stick is one of the more difficult ways of welding. Now, when I first went in, they started me off on, I did flats. So they just gave me a piece of steel and I ran flat beads across for about an hour or so. Once I got that down, I moved on to, I believe they called it a Chinese vertical. I don't know why they call it that, but it's basically they take the piece of steel and they put it up at an angle. So it's not like a total vertical, but it's somewhat vertical. So I did that. That's a little harder. You have to do it different ways because then you have the gravity working against you, trying to pull your pool downwards. So anyway, I got that down. I got it down, and then we moved on to verticals. Now verticals, which is what I'm doing in this video, is what I've been stuck on for a little while. They're relatively difficult because, you know, like I said, you're working against gravity. So you have your pool of molten metal just pulling down, and it's just tough to get the timing right. Now, what I learned in class is you use like a timing method that's like 1, 2, and then you move over, and you go 1, 2, and then you move over again, you go 1, 2. So you're kind of going at like, you're doing like a smiley face kind of pattern, and every time you do it, you move up, and in between passes, you count 2, and that will give you a nice weld. Now, it takes a while to get that down, so just keep that in mind. But once you have that down, you're pretty much set and you just need to keep practicing. Now, like I said, verticals are really hard, so it takes a little while to get them. I am just finally getting to the point where I'm almost ready to attempt to get my cert through the union. I definitely still need more practice though. A lot of the welds you see in this video too, they're not done on fresh steel. I actually got a used piece already, so I'm welding over some already kind of nasty welds from someone else who just started. So my welds, I'm going to have a lot of trouble getting them perfect. So I'm kind of just working with the best I have. Now the welding shop at the school is really cool because when you go to learn, the only thing you have to bring is your safety glasses. They have the gloves, they have the coat, they have your helmet, or shield. They have the brushes, they have the hammer, and obviously the rods for welding. They have all of that, so the only thing you have to bring is safety glasses. I mean, obviously, if you wanted to do welding out on the field, you would have to get that stuff for yourself, but in the shop that they have at the school, you don't have to. Now, another thing that's cool about this program they have for welding is you go in, and a lot of the times they show you a little bit, and then they let you go. They just let you keep practicing. Now, if any of you have any questions or want more information on these classes, if you're part of the Carpenters Union, you can go on the New England Carpenters Apprentice Fund, I believe the website is, and just look for the welding classes to get more information. Anyway, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see y'all next time. Thanks, guys. Bye.